Hey skiers, it's Bob with SkiEssentials.com. Welcome to our 2022 ski test. We got a head Power Joy for you today. Just a ripping front side ski. Definitely the most powerful of the Joy category. It definitely has the construction and shape to back it up, as well as a couple of other technological advances that make this thing stand out from some other skis in its category. So starting with construction, we do get their World Cup sandwich construction consisting of Caruba and ash wood. We also get carbon and graphene added to the mix. So these things are pretty stiff and pretty burly. They do retain head's lightweight feel that they do in their Joy category, just basically by tapering down their cap a little bit into that vertical sidewall. But other than that slight taper of the cap, we see a very vertical sidewall all the way around. So that's going to give you great edge grip on the hardest of snows. Speaking of firm snow, these are 68 millimeter underfoot ski. This is the 163. We're looking at a 12.7 meter turn radius. So very grippy, very energetic. Loves to carve those short, clean, round turns, almost bordering on a slalom style turn. And that's kind of the way that they want it. They're looking for this ski to kind of blur the line between their all mountain skis and then their super aggressive front side and racing skis. That's where this Total Joy comes in, Power Joy, comes in. Couple other things going on here. Gets their energy management circuit. So this is a technological marvel here that filters out unwanted vibrations in both the shovel and the tail. And it does work. It sounds strange, but it does work. And these skis do manage to be very smooth and stable, even for being a relatively lightweight ski. Underfoot on the system binding here, they have their Superflex plate that goes under the system binding, and that just really stiffens up that midfoot section. Not like a 68 millimeter underfoot ski really needs more torsional stiffness, but they put it in anyway. Really going to solidify this ski as one of the grippier turners on the market in its realm. We're not seeing a whole lot in terms of rocker here. They do call it their speed rocker, so they are designed to go fast. We do see that nice positive camber underfoot, and then just very, very minimal rocker here, almost non-existent. And same thing in the tail, minimal rocker, little bit of a splay, but minimal taper as well. Gonna hold on to the edge for about as long as you want to let it hold on for. Very, very smooth and stable throughout the turn. So really better suited for, groomer skiing, for, advanced and expert skiers who know how to use a ski with a waist that's this narrow. As that waist width gets narrower, the balance point gets smaller. So it does help if you have some type of a background skiing on narrower skis, because it does require that you're on edge. They don't ride flat as well as something with a wider balance point and platform. You do have to be up on edge on these skis, but you do get the benefits and the rewards of that in the performance end of things. So really strong front side carving ski, great on groomers, nice and stiff, very smooth and stable. Check this thing out. This is the Head Power Joy at SkiEssentials.com, and we will see you out there on the hill. Bye.